Good morning good morning, Legacy. We're back Friday, February 20th. So crazy to say that. We've almost gone through 2 months of the year so far. We're ready to make some more smoney today. Hopefully the market gives us some clean moves today, better than yesterday. If it does, we're going to take them. Literally, that simple. Let's see what we got going on here. So we had so far 3 bear flags print. So with those 3 bear flags, if we get through this pivot that is currently below us here as around the 705.50 level, I would expect us to keep going down. Good morning, BP. I want to see us build another flag. Give us another flaggy flag. Where's my mouse? There we go. That's a flag right there, but we have that pivot, so I want to lose that pivot point to take us lower. Yeah, I love the flag place because it always repeats itself. We got news at 9:45 today, news at 9:45 today, so we're going to need to pay attention to that. We did break through yesterday's low and the overnight low as well. Monday is going to be 41 degrees. That's disgusting. I'm not gonna lie, I was really tempted to jump in on this big bear flag I saw. When I saw this, I want to jump in, but I'm like, it's before 9:45. So I did not take it, sadly. Come on, Betsy, a day. Let's see. Okay. We're trying to get through that pivot, but we gotta see what happens at market open to give me the warm and fuzzies. You know what I'm saying? We need warm and fuzzies today, so I can clean up what I did yesterday. We are well below the VWAP. VWAP's currently sitting up there at 854.50, 854.50. 21 EMA sitting at 745.50. We're playing around this pivot point down here as well. What's going on, Rob? I'm not going to say Chris today. What's up, Rob? We're living the dream, bro. Living the freaking dream a day. Trying to make a couple dollars so we could go into the weekend green. And we're going to keep it moving. We got the close from yesterday. 836, 836 even. So as long as we stay below the VWAP in below that 836, I would expect us to continue down. But if we get above it, all bets are off. We may start pumping. But yesterday, both markets had issues. The morning and like that Asian session had issues pushing up. So I would expect us possibly to come on down today, which I'm all for. I need me a nice waterfall.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, BP, good morning, sir.
Morning, BP.
How was your night last night, bro?
It was all right. do too much, honestly.
Those nights are the best nights for me.
That's crazy. Today's move started at like during London session.
What happened?
What'd you say?
What's going on?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, Duane, I got a question for you. I tried to close an entry here, and it says I have 2 active orders, and I went on, and I don't see active orders under orders. So have you ever had that before? Nothing moving or anything.
Yeah, that's low-key weird. I think that's happened to me a long time ago. I think I just did a full shutdown.
Okay, that's what I was gonna do. I just wanted to make sure. And then Trader Buy still hasn't come back to me, so it's like 48 hours now. So they suck it. They're not what they used to be. I went on the Discord and they said don't even ask until it's 48 hours.
Jesus, that's crazy. That's crazy.
That account is like locked into 6,000 drawdown, but it's still active, and I didn't trade it. So it's interesting.
Honestly, I've been hearing really good things about Lucid. It's a little bit cheaper as well than Tradeify also. And their payouts are faster.
Well, I'm kind of feeling like Tradeify is going through a change, and you know what I mean? And sometimes if you grow, it's not for the best. Like, they should just really concentrate on their core and build from there. Not my problem.
Good morning, Smooth. Good morning, Mikey. The whole thing with Tradeify, they're doing a lot now, right? Because they're adding in the crypto trading, everything like that. Getting their dashboard together. So
I'd rather eat a lollipop off the floor of a Walmart unopened than to trade crypto with them, because if you're putting real money behind it and you're getting this customer service, I mean.
Well, it's going to be the prop still. It'll still be the prop for the crypto stuff. But they are doing a lot in a short amount of time. And as a business, that's not always good because you don't have the infrastructure set yet.
Yes, and I'm glad you brought that up, and because you're wise like I am.
I'm glad we're both wise.
Well, no, I mean, we both run businesses, we both been through processes, we both been through growth, we both been through change. We both, had to, pivot sometimes. It's common, you know what I mean? I wasn't saying that mockingly. I was showing respect.
No, you're good, Steve, you're good.
Listen, I can be serious once in a while.
We're not always used to the serious, Steve. Morning, Tim. Morning, Rhonda.
Very scary.
Very scary.
I can't lie. I have no idea what to expect for today.
Honestly, I feel like we may continue down today. My hypothesis is we're going to possibly continue down.
And BB, you got the serious Steve. It's like everything's wild card now.
Well, it's just because if you look at the highs that we had for the London session, it came out and it took out Asian session and like previous New York session from yesterday. On both NQ and ES, but then on the Dow it didn't. And after it failed to do that on the Dow, it's just been dumping ever since. So technically that was like the smart money technique that like happened there, and it technically delivered to that buy side now. So I'm just kind of like thinking if we are going to keep extending, then we possibly have like a couple of like areas that seem a little bit unmitigated we try to aim for, but I think today would definitely be more like a base hit kind of day.
Well, every day's a base hit day on this stream with me. So from your lips to God's ears, we're going to get some clean moves today. Nothing too crazy. No choppity chops today. So we can make some money. It's not going crazy yet, bro. It's not. This is not crazy yet. We printed multiple bear flags. I mean, multiple bear flags this morning. Targets aren't ready till 9:45, bro. Won't be able to call targets out till 9:45. We got 30 seconds for market open here. We have this pivot point 705.50. Next pivot below that 574.75. I honestly feel like with all these bear flags, they love to repeat themselves. If we start getting bear flags with market open, then we're going to have a good old time of day. And that's real. There's market open. There's market open. We got the close from yesterday, 836 above us. VWAP up there at 845.50. 21 EMA, 735.25 on the 2-minute chart. There goes that next bear flag. Nice move. Good job, bro. Bulls trying to step in here. The overnight high all the way up there at 984.75. 984.75. Yeah, we got news at 9:45 today as well, the S&P. So let's see what comes out with that. So your boy's waiting. Your boy is waiting. Ooh, let's not do that. Let's not go sleepy, sleep computer. Wake up. It's not time to go back to bed. I know some of us may want to go back to bed, but we can't do that. You gotta make some money. BP, I'm missing you today, bro. I'm missing you and Dylan today, not gonna lie.
BP says it'll be on the Fridays.
It'll be next week.
No, definitely next week.
I think it'll work out better for them.
Well, he said this week was a good week for him originally, so. Tomato, tomato. I know he's a driver, so he's been working on the oil fields. Driving. I don't think there's anything more Texan than that, right? You live in Texas and you're on the oil fields driving trucks. That sounds like a true Texan. Just saying.
Yeah, back in the day, my father worked on the oil fields for a while.
The gold rush. The black gold rush.
And he also used to, he was a drag race driver, so he drag race too, so he did some cool stuff back then.
Okay, that's cool. Well, market's trying to pump here. Glad I'm waiting till 9:45. But I expected some type of a pushback up, so that way we could potentially start building out some more bear flags. I want to see the close from yesterday, 836, and that VWAP hold us down. Morning, everybody. Let's make some monies. Let me just doodle just in case. I'm a doodling machine today, not gonna lie. Tonight, I'm gonna have some clips pulled up from Mexico of me wiping out on the paddleboard so I can show some of y'all on tonight's trade.
I was waiting for that.
There's the VWAP tab. We got that close 836 right there as well. 836 close from yesterday. Let's see how we react in this area. Dang, pushing right through it like it's not even there. Alrighty, pivot point above that. 879.50. Well, actually, yeah, 879.50 is the pivot point above us here. Absolute pump from the bulls. So it's definitely going to give us a nice little range that we'll have for the 15-minute range today. I'm still sadly waiting because I would love to jump in on this pump because look at that good old momentum.
Okay. If you reach out like they have a real sweet deal on like the magnet bend, and especially one that's like looks like it's one that looks like a roll up. I was kidding. But like I only it's a great deal because I know you can.
Here comes that pivot.
And then the only other thing, we'll go get.
Man, from pivot to pivot, we've gone here. So I'm expecting this pivot point to actually just get tapped. And we'll see what happens once we tap it. But the way the bulls are trying to pump. Ooh, what was that? You saw that? I don't like that. Pivot point just got tapped. That was a very aggressive move right there. When the Rincos dance like that, that means a whole lot of volume just got dumped into the market. When the Rincos are moving like that, that's when we gotta be cautious. Cautious.
Hey, hold on there a second.
Here comes that pivot once again. We didn't tap it right there, but
Wow, I see somebody walking in the back. That's in your room.
yep, that's my baby right there.
It was like one of those horror movies where somebody like shows up in the background with an axe, except he doesn't have an axe.
No axe. Not yet. What did I do? Hold up. Oh my golly, what did I do? I just woke up.
Standing right next to the window. Standing right next to the window. So it's like totally like the horror scene where it's like the axe is there. And it's like John.
All right, 6 more minutes now. 6 more minutes till I'm officially cleared to trade. There's the close from yesterday getting tapped. Today I feel is going to be an interesting move day because we're getting nice movement. I'm just hoping it continues after the news at 9:45. I am not. Hold on, boys. I got to rescue, not wrestle, a damsel in distress.
If you're going to wrestle, you better turn it off and charge it for it.
Ow! How you stepping on my toe? Check the truck. They in the truck, or we should have some somewhere. Alrighty. Waiting for this news, waiting for the news. But look at that beautiful bull flag on the 2-minute right there. We have that.
It's a new 9:45.
9:45 today for news for the S&P.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. So right now, the low of this range is going to be 678.50. 678.50 is going to be the low for the 15-minute range. I do not see it's going back down there within the next couple minutes here. So go ahead and mark that chart. 678.50 low for the 15-minute range. There's that pivot. We're playing with this pivot. There we go. Yo, I want to jump in so bad right now. But I'm like, I got literally 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Waiting the first 15 is definitely, you got to be built for it.
You beat FOMO if you can wait 15 minutes.
It's hard, Jose. It's hard. It's hard sometimes. Honestly, Duane, welcome, Duane. I'm not used to having Duanes in the chat since I'm Duane. Get with the prop firm. Trade with the prop firm like Tradeify, Lucid, or take Profit Trader. Do not invest your own personal capital into the market since you're new. I do not recommend it. Only trade with prop firms. It's a way for you to make money without risking thousands of dollars. It's a trading hack. What happened? No, you said Jesus Christ. I'm like,
Praise God. Hallelujah.
why are you coming at me? Blonde head bombshell. I got a blonde haired bombshell all of a sudden. And now she don't know how to act.
She's happy, you know. She's a good person for you because you always have a good time on your videos.
Of me crying for help? No, I'm playing.
Hey, you're digging your own grave, Jack.
You're digging your own grave. This is not a coin, Jim. This is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq. Trading futures. We do this every single Monday through Friday with y'all. I was going to say a day of the week, but that would be a lie. It's every Monday through Friday. We trade futures. All right, we got less than a minute for news to be dropping. Yeah, but
There's no other way to do it.
no. Then just leave it at. Yeah, it should be fine. All right, news is coming out. News is coming out. There's the news. There's the news. Okay, didn't do anything. Interesting.
Whoa.
I'll give it another minute. 9:46. And then we're going to start executing some trades. Let's see on this flex account. So if I put in less than $1,000 on this account, I'll be able to take a 2K payout. I like that. I like that. No reason to say sorry, Duane. Don't know why you're saying sorry. Did I miss the
I'm
chat?
sorry, you're about to take a payout.
I think the news was very neutral when it came out. Like didn't really show very much.
Yeah, the Rinkos didn't dance how it normally likes to dance because the Rinkos like to dance when news comes out, but it did not. A Canadian, what part?
Under forecast.
It was under forecast.
Mm.
Just say no BP. I have no clue what that means, but it sounds good.
Oh, well. Usually when it's above forecast, it's a better reaction. But it was like it's up. So I feel like because it was still above 50, but it was below the forecast, it was like pretty neutral.
Okay.
It's still a better sign that since it came out above 50.
We'll take it.
BP is amazing, you know that.
That he is. Toronto, that's cool. I was in Calgary last month. Duane, what's up, life? All right, let's look for some trades here. We're out of the 15-man range right now.
Yeah.
We broke out for a moment there.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag.
I'm going to do my impersonation of Duane in Canada. Let's go up to the ice and walk. We closed. We go like see the frozen waterfall. We closed. We go and eat at the restaurant. You want to eat at the restaurant, eh? We closed.
The high for the 15-man range, 948.25. 948.25. I'm now looking for trades to execute. Are we getting ready to try retesting that pivot? How did he get 915.25? Uh, 948.25. 948.25. It's the high for the 15-minute range. Come on, Betsy.
Biden have to be building a nice flag.
Potentially, yes. I don't know why. I feel like I want to retest that pivot. But that may be asking for too much. That's the highest point that the price went for the first 15 minutes of today's open. Close that one. 440 on that trade. I had a feeling that we were getting ready to retest that pivot. So I took a short there. I closed out right before we tapped it, and there we go. With more on top, but hey, 440 is 440 for the first trade. I'll gladly take that. Let's rotate to the next account. What's that account number? So we're testing this pivot. We got the VWAP below us as well. VWAP's currently sitting at 847 even. And that looks like it may be up for grabs here. Watch my raincoats to see if I get another opportunity to jump in. If not, I'll wait to see how we react after we tap the VWAP here. But I feel like we're going to come down and tap that one, test that level, and then potentially test that 836 level as well. Bull's trying to step in, but as it sits, let's see if we build us a bear flag. Let's see if we get a small bear flag right underneath this pivot. I don't want the price going above the pivot for this bear flag. Bulls are trying to protect the VWAP. All right, above that pivot. Don't really want to be above the pivot, personally, if I'm looking for a short. On that 5 minute, we got that buying pressure stepping in on that candle. So you don't want to short into that buying pressure.
No, not that way.
Back below the pivot. if we get through my yellow line here, I'll be taking a short on the 2 minute. But we also got that VWAP right there, so I don't know if I want to.
You got your bracket, you got the VWAP, and it's just like pivot on the other side.
Yeah, we got the VWAP, we got the close from yesterday, and the 21 right below the close. So I'll probably wait till we clear some of those out before taking the short, because I don't want us to tap one of them and then just rebound. Still dancing around this pivot. Oh, glad I saw that. Still hanging out at this pivot point. Do not risk it for the biscuit right now, folks. This should be the VWAP tap coming soon. No, still got that buying pressure. Wow.
We got about 3 minutes until 10 o'clock, too.
Thank you, thank you.
So, it's kind of doing that thing where it's like time slowing down and waiting for the move, so just wanted to give that shout out.
No, I appreciate that. You guys help me just as much as I help y'all, so I love it. Still waiting on this VWAP tap. We got a lot of buying pressure down here, so be careful if you're trying to short. We need to clear some of this buying pressure out. There's the VWAP tab. We have been having a lot of buying pressure, so.
Hey, where is your VWAP, please?
My VWAP is currently on the 2-minute chart sitting at 848.50. 848.50.
Okay, because I'm at 844. So it was like when you said it was a tap, I was like, okay, we're on.
No, we haven't tapped the VWAP yet.
Okay.
The pivot we keep tapping. The pivot's at 879.75. And that's on my trading view. Come on, Betsy. Give us something. We got less than 40 seconds. Less than 40 seconds for 10 o'clock here. So we're going to see what we get. It's not even 10 o'clock and look at it starting to try pumping. Here's 10 o'clock. Less than 7 seconds. Less than 7 seconds.
Oh.
I feel like we're getting ready to have a real aggressive move, and there's the aggressive move on the Renkos. Alrighty, let's let that settle.
The way you said that, you're like, oh, right.
Come on, Betsy. All right, we're breaking through my top yellow line here. Selling pressure instantly started jumping in as soon as we broke the yellow line. So that's letting us know that, oh, what is that? Oh, what in the world?
Whoa.
I'm scratching my head, boys. What is that? Something just came out.
Oh,
Awaiting Supreme Court opinions, decision on tariffs could come today. No clue what just happened. No clue what just happened. If you guys are on X, go see if Trump just put something on X saying he firing somebody or getting rid of. This is craziness. This is craziness. Be careful, boys. Look at this boner candle. That's craziness.
This is crazy.
Jesus.
Did Powell say something to the Fed?
Wow. Wow. No, I'm not just going along right now. Not with this. How it's moving like this. No.
Where's the retest at?
Oh, bro, don't even look for a retest right now, fam.
Duane just busted out with the bros, like bro.
Like, we just popped through that pivot, broke through the high of the 15-minute range. Like, this thing is on a move. It's on a tear right now. And this may be the retest you were talking about, Jose. This is crazy. Crazy. Oh, God. Supreme Court will issue decision on tariffs today. Boys, hold your beers, hold your hats, hold everything. Breaking news.
I caught that move and made $7,200. It's crazy.
Good job.
Damn.
I made too much. On my eval. I gotta lose some money.
All right, the ruling came in on the tariffs.
Oh, it actually ruled.
Yep. Well, be careful. Tariff news is coming out. I'm gonna keep the audio on for the TV so I can hear what they say.
Yeah.
Sorry you lost 1,000, Chris. Be careful right now, folks. Be careful. Tariff news is coming out on the Supreme Court ruling. If that happens, submit a ticket. Submit a ticket.
Just, I hope it's not traded by. Otherwise, you better just like sit back and relax.
Look at the, oh my goodness, this thing's, oh my goodness. I'm not even in a trade. You had to contact support. Back down to this pivot point. Jesus, this is crazy. I have no delay on my end right now. No delay. Just know that a lot of volatility and a lot of information is going into these systems. Yeah, this market's crazy. I love it though. I love when markets are crazy. I may honestly size down. I may size down one contract since we are moving so aggressively. I don't see on the 2 minute. I'm not looking at no bull flag. I'll be looking at a bear flag.
Bear flag. Sorry.
I'm like, I don't know what flag you looking at.
He's standing on his head.
All right, pushing through the VWAP, the 21 EMA right there. Still holding this pivot from before. Oh, Nelly. Supreme Court rules against Trump global tariffs. Supreme Court rules against Trump global tariffs.
The market's about to go down. So.
And your boy's ready and excited waiting. Yeah, look at these wrinkles right now. These things are moving. These things are moving right now. Good job, Times. That's awesome. Are we getting ready to pump again here? I'm nervous to jump in right now.
I'm looking at the wick on that 5 minutes. It's crazy.
We got that buying wick on the 5-minute. But right now we're not trading. We can't just trade market structure only because of the news. You have to trade using the momentum right now as well. I'm waiting to see if the bulls flip this candle on the 5-minute. Coming back to this pivot point. Back below the pivot. That was a crazy glitch. My stuff just stopped. That's not good. I just got stopped out. Let's see. Honestly, with how the market's moving right now, boys, only trade evals. I'm not trading fundeds with this price movement currently. Let's see if I can add some more to this 150K select account. It's I would say a partial fill times. Yeah, trading the news is. I didn't know that was coming out today. I did not know the Supreme Court was ruling today. Because we've been waiting for this, for them to decide on this since like December. Technical analysis never lie. Well, right now we're dealing with more than just technical analysis. We're dealing with the ruling on Trump's tariffs. Let's rotate to the next one. We're through the VWAP, through the 21 EMA. Let's see, through that pivot point as well. Let's see if we test that pivot. There we go. Once again, let's see if we lose this pivot. Be careful, folks. Be careful. This is not a time. This is not a time to try anything crazy, okay? Let me actually jump over to Lucid because I want to get some more accounts with them. And I feel like today's a good day to go ahead and buy some accounts with Lucid. And we start working on them. I hope I collect. Let me close that. Let me make sure. 1450 on that trade. Go ahead, G. Go ahead, boy. payment. And then also. Should I?
Another one with Trader 5.
Nice. Good job, bro. Good job. I'm debating. Should I do 150Ks or I just got 150K and then I'll also grab a 50K as well. We'll do it that way. Oh, wow. I've never gotten the 50K with Lucid, but $65? That's not bad because 65, yeah. And that's all in too. There's no activation fee.
Because like last week I was looking at 25 and I thought it was $60. So I had to reinvest like with that.
And since I'm already here, you know what I'm saying? Like, might as well add another one.
Might as well.
Might as well, you know what I'm saying? So I would have just added three accounts with Lucid. I'll let those all populate and then I will log in and start trading these. Let me come over here because I do have, oh, where's that? Dashboard. All right, that's the one I just switched over to. I'm trading evals at this time, folks. Do not trade or do not try copying my trades. I trade them a little bit more aggressive. I gotta give that disclaimer. So just got stopped out on this growth account with Lucid, not Lucid, with Tradeify. It's an eval. One of my evals that I've just have been sitting on. Let me switch over. Ooh, if I could home run this one, that won't be too shabby. Wrong account. Let me connect to my Lucid. Where's it at? All right, there we go. Since I keep hearing my email going off, so that's letting me know they're ready. All right, let's trade the 150K first. What's the account number on that one? Come on, momentum. We keep testing this pivot point right now. Let's see if we get a little flaggy flag. Take us higher. There's that pivot point once again. BP, how you feeling, bro? How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing terrible over here. I've tried to take like 6 trades, 3 of them didn't get filled, and then the 3 that did, I just took L's.
Well, the markets are moving pretty crazy.
I got stopped out like 3 times.
I just got stopped out on 2 evals with Tradeify, so you're in good company. Just know that. You're in good company.
It's just frustrating because the 3 that didn't fill me won, so I would be up for the day.
Yeah. We lost that pivot point there, engulfed that previous candle. Yeah, this bad boy is aggressive right now. Lucid's pretty good at fixing problems. I've never had any issues with them yet. Keyword yet. I said yet, folks.
I check them out. That price went at 60 was like reasonable. And
Yeah,
it's,
$65. All in, no activation fee.
Probably gonna hang out, but I'm done, honestly.
Yeah, I feel that
one
one.
more trade that I can take personally.
Don't do
If
it.
I win it, then I'm back to break even, and if I don't win it, then I'm pretty much just down.
Yeah.
For the day.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Get an eval.
Yeah.
Get an eval. Trade an eval at this point. There's the pivot touch once again. Give me the full flush. All right, so done trading this Lucid account. Just put $1,000 in this one. We're gonna rotate to the next one. Rob, have a good workout, bro. Rhonda, you cannot forget the pivot points. They're pivotal. Get that pivot point. Anyways, on trading, you need to know where they are so that way you don't get messed up.
the pivot points.
The first withdrawal you can take from them, let me check. So on the Lucid Flex accounts, funded. Let me go to their frequently as payouts. Not payout methods. I want to know how much. I'll take a look at this in a minute. I'm trying to add some more money to these evals here. Actually, I should probably see what the profit target is with these. I bought them without even looking.
And then the Lucid, it also comes with a subscription, right?
No. So it's a one-time fee.
No,
3,000.
The data and all that. Like all that comes in, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I like the 2-minute chart for the pivots because the market really reacts to them. Let's see if this may be a bull flag here, possibly on the 2-minute, but the way it's yeah, no. This should be the flush here. Let's see if we get the full flush. Bulls caught it right when we're... Come on. Oh, we're tapping that 21 EMA. That's why. Let's see if we get below that 21. If not, I'll close this. Close that $1,000 right there. Let's rotate to the next one. Just trying to hit $1,000 per trade right now with Lucid to keep it consistent. We lost that 21 EMA. Next target will be for me the VWAP sitting at 886.25. 886.25 there.
How much was that, Duane?
That was $1,000 on Lucid.
Oh, 1,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn. I was dealing too, man. I looked away for a quick second and I saw that drop. I said, shit, It repeat itself.
Faceless. This is the Nasdaq. We're trading the Nasdaq here. And now I just wait for another one because... So just on the brand new Lucid accounts I just got, if I put another 1,000 in, that'd be over $3,000 on the first day. trading them. So we got that bullish wick. Come on, Betsy. Are we getting ready to build another bear flag? Let's see what we get here on the 2 minute. Drop it down to the 1. Oh, yeah, we may be getting another bear flag. $20 seconds left. I want this candle to stay green for 20 seconds. And then the next candle on 2 minute be a red candle. And I'm taking the short. As long as we get through that yellow line. Come on, go to my yellow line. Is diddling. We're not in the middle of the 15-minute range either. We're at the high of this 15-minute range. Bull stepping in. I want to take another trade on this one. Oh, my bad, folks. My bad. Sorry. Thank you, Faceless. If you ever see my chart longer than 10 seconds black, let me know. I forgot to click the button. Bull stepping in pretty aggressive there. Come on, Betsy. 730 on that trade. We came up, touched that pivot. That's why I closed out.
Base hit, baby. Base hit.
Base hit, that's it. Base hitting, base hitting. I'm debating if I rotate back to the 150K Lucid account that I just got. I will say what's cool is it gives you the option to like remove breached accounts with Lucid. Tradeify, they sometimes forget to.
You're not kidding. Like, I saw your list earlier, like a phone book. And it's hard because like if you have some of them on there and you want to trade, and it's like you got to know where they are so you don't like miss an opportunity because you're putting a bad account up there.
Oh, listen, it's happened to me one too many times where I'll know what number I need to select, and I think I selected it. I'll enter the trade, and then it's a blown account. So then I have to scramble to find the correct account number so I don't miss the move, full move.
Yep.
Yeah. Bump it, right? Yeah, let me, since we're here. Oh, what I clicked the wrong button. Don't mind me over here. I'm just getting more Lucid accounts. I told myself I was going to grab them next week, but it's like the market's moving pretty decent right now. Might as well get these started.
What was the discount code you recommend on Lucid?
They have the discount code automatically on their website, which is cool. Vault would be the discount code that I'm using from them. Yeah, I'm getting the Lucid Flex accounts.
So that's the one way I get over there to get the Flex?
Yeah, I would recommend the Flex. Because for me, it doesn't change how I trade, because everything's pretty much the same like Tradeify with the 5 days to trade, but you can request your payout. Like, I'm already used to that, so I keep everything exactly how it is currently for me.
Yeah, totally.
All right, there's the email saying it's ready. I'm gonna come over here, disconnect, reconnect. Let's add some more. All right, we're above this pivot. Let's build a flaggy flag. Give us some momentum. Take another trade. What's what? Kenneth, what's up? Those are Renko bars. Those are Renko bars. They show you the momentum of the market. It did. It has the market going every which direction right now. That's why I'm only trading evals right now, because after all the stuff with this morning with the tariffs, the ruling against it, I'm like, no, I'm not putting my funders at risk. So now I'm just honestly working on lucid evals currently. Yeah, the NQ is definitely being special.
It is. You're not kidding. I was reading, they just sued on the 1977 tariff act. So if Trump could just reinstate those tariffs on a different law if he wants, so.
Which I'm sure he'll do.
Yeah, you know, the endless Democrat resistance, make them price some more.
Anything with tariffs, it always moves the markets. Always. Good or bad, the markets move on tariff news. Let me close that. That was a crazy little jump right there. Dude, do you ever sleep? Always, bro. Always. So I gotta be done trading these lucid accounts because they do have the consistency that I gotta be careful with. It was on my iPad. I'm like, where's my cursor at on my Mac. It was all the way on my iPad. I'm gonna have to learn the stuff for Lucid, like their consistency stuff, everything like that.
But you know, like once you do, I know you'll share it with the community, and that's what we're so grateful for you, is you fast track it.
I tried to the best of my ability to get you guys to fast track. No, I'm not in a trade right now. Oh, you're welcome. Glad you guys enjoyed me streaming. I want to see you guys win at the end of the day, so anything I can do to help you guys win, I'm all for it. I'm looking at Lucid stuff right now, actually. Yeah, looking at the Lucid Black and Lucid Flex, I would honestly, if any of you guys are looking at getting anything with them, stay with the Lucid Flex because there's no consistency in that. Where on the other side, on the Black, there is consistency. Just so you guys know.
Thank you.
Look at this market just going today. Gotta love it. We gotta love it. So my goal right now for myself, still working on a couple payouts from Tradeify for this month. Already up over $7,500 so far for the month of February from payouts with Tradeify. So working on like 3 more payouts with them before the end of the month. But for next month, my goal will be same payouts from Tradeify, but adding payouts from Lucid as well on all the accounts I'm getting with them. That would be the goal.
Yeah, I've been waiting not to trade that janky account, but I should just trade it if it's still going and they can fix it later, right?
Yeah, since you submitted the ticket, you already technically let them know that you're having an issue with it for them to go in and see what's going on.
Yeah, I just want to know where the $6,000 came from. That must be a hell of a vendor that I did it like on eval, and it didn't fill the account, and I didn't trade it.
Whatever works. Whatever works. Let's see if we get a flag up here. I would like to see a flag at this point. Finish the stream on a good note. We have a small flag on my trading view, but I want to see a little bit more. I want to see a little bit more. Come on, Betsy. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to 11 as well. 3 minutes to 11. If we start doing a slight pullback, I may take a short down to the first target. The first target I had on my chart was 25,083.50. But right now, I feel like we're getting ready to push to this pivot above us, which is 184.50. 184.50. Come on, Betsy. Go to my yellow line. We got less than 2 minutes. So I may wait till 11 o'clock to hit before jumping in. These are evals. Folks. So don't worry, I'm not risking real capital right now. Less than a minute, but we're coming up to my yellow line. Hopefully we can stay below the yellow line until 11. 20 seconds for 11, but we're tapping my yellow line now. Seven seconds for 11.
7-11.
There's 11. Come on, momentum. Where you at? Yeah, I'm gonna be done. I'm clicking buttons at this point. I'm not even locked in fully right now, so your boy's literally clicking buttons right now, and that's never a good sign. Well, I'm gonna be probably jumping off here. It's after 11. Hopefully you guys have a solid weekend, a nice reset weekend for you guys. And do not forget, we got the Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. Hopefully you guys come out and hang out with us tonight. And yes, sir.
I'm gonna send you something on text right now, okay?
Okay.
I know you're a busy man. That's what I want to tell you so you can look.
No, I got you. I got you.
Because you were talking about the weekend. I want to show you what I made yesterday.
Ooh.
Here it comes. It's coming right now. Delicioso.
Oh, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Making me
I
hungry,
marinated-
Steve. You're making me hungry.
I marinated it for 36 hours and then cooked it and put like the applesauce or apple juice glaze on it. Oh. Did you say you like you're a carnivore, right?
Yeah.
I just wanted to give you that joy.
Tradify, just so you guys know, if any of you guys experience latency issues at 9:01 to 9:10 a.m. Central Time, they're going to be doing adjustments and they'll be corrected today by 5 p.m. Eastern. So, there you go. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, tonight for the Traders Hangout and tomorrow for the Traders Hangout. Stay safe, everyone. Enjoy your weekend and go do something productive. All right.
All right, ciao.
I will catch you on the next one. Be blessed, everyone. Legacy, have a good one.
Have a good day.
You as well.